Hello class. We're going to also do an exploded axon using pretty much the same tools that we have as the section perspective, and since I need the foundation and I need the materials and stuff, I'm just going to do a save as from this file to start my exploded axon. And I'm actually probably going to work across a couple files to get this to work. But I'm just going to go exploded axon here and do save and say yes and get this saved. One of the things about the exploded axon we're probably going to want to do is do it on 11 by 17, and it's going to want to be portrait because we're going to stack these things up tall. So I'm going to actually come to my layers because I don't need the sort of finished rendering at this point. I'm going to delete these top two layers, which are just basic pixels. Get rid of those. I'm going to turn on my model itself. There we go. And I'm going to go to image, canvas size. I'm going to change the width to 11 and the height to 17. And it's going to tell me that things might fall out or whatever, which they do, and that's fine. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to my plane, right? So there's a few things I need to do. I'm going to go to 3D layer and go to scene. I'm going to flip my slice to the Y. I'm going to have to reverse mine around because of the way I had mine. And I'm going to generally set up a view that I'm going to want. I'm going to want to take the view from the other side. So I'm going to rotate this right around. I want it to be, 30-ish degree angle, 45-ish degree angle. I want to see the floor plan fairly well, but the point of this is to see three dimensions, so I want to see the sides. Clearly I'm going to have to shrink this down. I'm going to zoom out. Actually, this is still in perspective, so if I want to change it out of perspective, I'm going to go to current view. I'm going to change it to orthogonal, just changes a little bit, and I'm going to put this here just like this, and I'm going to drop that in there, and that looks like it's fitting pretty well. Of course, what I'm going to want to also do is change my lighting to adjust for this, and so I will come over here and set my lighting maybe something like that. Could work nicely. Something alternatively like that might even be even better. So I'll go something like this. Now we can see I've got this white zone here. I just want to make sure this is all moved up to the top area like this, where it's going to be rendered. And I'm going to start with the basement level and then do the first floor. I'm going to show you how to set all of this. But that was sort of setting it to a top-down orthogonal view. I'm going to give you some tricks on how to continue this in the next video.